Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Stakeholders and supporters of the 14-year-old Grace Tropical Rhythms Port Royal Seafood Festival are continuing the preservation of the Port Royal legacy while giving back to the community. The highly anticipated event was launched last evening at the Fort Charles venue, where organizers and sponsors shared plans in place for this year's staging.
Variety is definitely what you're going to be finding at this year's 14th staging of the Grace Tropical Rhythms Port Royal Seafood Festival. Make I tell you, from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. it's going to be such an amazing event. And this year, for the first time performing, we have Sanchez. That's right. We're going to make sure we take it to another level. We're putting the band in there for this year, and Beanie Man on band as well. And then for the first time, we're so happy the boy from Trelawney, Mr. Despacito, Charlie is going to be a part of that, and Jabez's first time as well. The Dynamites to rock it, and this is entertainment for the whole day.
The event's annual celebrity cook-off and other family-oriented events are still set to take place.
Just make way for me run through. Make me dream them a come true. And me a big deal, but me young too. Me young much and know say me a God and his son too. Hot on your TV, in your face like a tree. The salvage never did them on the road to Jamaica. And in a London, I'm set in America. And in a Canada, I'm set in a China. In the living a style,
It is really a calendar event for not only the people of Port Royal, but for indeed entire Jamaica. We've seen the festival grow over these years, and this year promises to be bigger and better. The leader of the opposition will be involved in the celebrity cookout, himself, Emmanuel Duncan Price and others. So that's going to be a feature. I'm also looking forward to the first ever Philip Powell fishing tournament, where we intend to present very good prizes for the fishermen who can do well on that day.
Another ASCAP award for Richie Stevens. On October 16, Richie Stevens will be collecting his second award from the American Society of Composers, Authors and Publishers, ASCAP, for his contribution to pop singer Rihanna's hit single, Work. The award show will take place in London, England, where the artist is set to receive the honor for Song of the Year and Digital Sales of the Year. Work, the hit single from Rihanna and Drake in early 2016, sampled Stevens' Sail Away rhythm, which was released in 1998 on his Pot of Gold label. Stevens was credited as co-writer of the song. The reggae artist was previously honored at the 34th annual ASCAP Pop Music Awards in the USA in May of this year. Disappointed, reggae artist Chronixx is facing backlash from fans and some members of the Rastafarian community. This comes after a video was shared online showcasing the reggae star singing and dancing to dancehall artist Idonia's smash hit single, Yeah Yeah. Criticisms mounted as the video started making its rounds online, causing major scrutiny, with fans openly questioning Chronixx's actions. Some Rastafarians have identified the intent of the video to be harmless and done out of pure fun, but take issue with the singer's use of expletives in the clip. The artist is, however, scoring cool points within the dancehall circle. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.